Tired of those paper checks weighing you down? Let's explore the fast and easy ways to deposit them at Chase Bank. First step, the Chase Mobile app, a lifesaver for busy people. Open the app and log in using your credentials. Spot the deposit checks option, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Tap it. Now endorse the back of your check with your signature, and for mobile deposit only, Chase Bank. Then carefully follow the app's prompts to photograph the front, €1 and then the back of the check. Ensure the images are clear and well lit. Enter the check amount, confirm all details are correct, and submit your deposit. You'll receive a confirmation on your screen, and it's wise to keep the physical check secure for at least 2 weeks. Don't have the app? No problem. Head to a Chase ATM, insert your debit card, and enter your PIN. Select the deposit option on the screen. Follow the ATM's instructions to insert your endorsed check into the designated slot. The machine will scan it. Verify the displayed deposit amount, select your account, and confirm. Remember to take your receipt. Prefer a personal touch? Visit a Chase branch, endorse your check, and fill out a deposit slip. Simply hand the check and slip to the teller. They'll process the deposit and give you a receipt, and just like that, you're all set. Whether it's the app, the ATM, or a branch visit, Chase offers convenient options to make check deposits a breeze.